In this question it is given that an ideal gas is trapped between a mercury thread of 12 centimeter and the closed lower end of a narrow vertical tube of uniform cross section. Length of air column is 20.5 centimeter when the open end is kept upward. If the tube is making 30° with the horizontal, then the length of air column is. So we can just consider the situation over here, which is given that so over here we can consider that there is some amount of mercury column, and length of that mercury column is given as nothing but 12 centimeter, and on this portion we are having, on the lower end we are having air, and length of air column is given as nothing but 20.5, and this is an open end, so atmospheric pressure is acting in downward direction, and the pressure due to this 12 centimeter of mercury column is also acting in downward direction. So if you are taking this atmospheric pressure is equal to 76 centimeter of mercury, so you can write the value of total pressure which is acting on the gas. So you can write this pressure will be equal to nothing but 76 plus 12, which is equal to nothing but 88 centimeter of mercury. Now in the next situation, if this is making an angle 30° with the horizontal, so we can observe that the weight of this liquid column mg is acting in downward direction. So the component acting along this direction will be equal to nothing but, we can take it as mg sine 30. So if it is pressure of 12 is acting in downward direction, so over here you can write the component of pressure acting in this direction will be equal to 12 into sine 30, which is 1/2, so we can take it as something but 6 over here. So in this situation we can observe that the value of net pressure over here will be equal to atmospheric pressure, which is 76, plus pressure, the component of pressure acting along this direction, that we can take it as something but 6 over here. So the value of pressure over here will be equal to 82. So we can find out what about the value of length of air column now. So over here temperature is a constant, so we can write the value of P into V is equal to a constant, or we can write P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Pressure in first situation is 88, and volume in first situation we can take it as area of cross section into length, and let's say area of cross section is A, and pressure in second situation was 82, and volume we can take it as again area into length, that is take it as L. So we can cancel this A, and we can find out what about the value of its length, that is 88 into 20.5 divided by 82, that will be equal to 20